Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Golf key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, which helps prevent losing small parts. Also, take care to protect the key fob's plastic casing from any scratches during the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key blade retracts. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips or casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working correctly. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.